Good morning everybody, Tracy here showing you what is in our April Creative Kit Club box. It is a beautiful kit this month. It is bright and bold and we have an amazing design team who worked on this kit. So let's take a look at what's in the box. So first of all, there are these cute little metal dots. If I turn them over you can see they're like little caps. They're called metal caps. They're really cute and just add a little bit of pop to cards and scrapbooking layouts. I do love them. Then there is this pack of Paisley Days collectible from Kaisercraft because we have used the Paisley Days collection for this kit. We have got a bag of little wooden flowers, super cute little flowers to give you some texture. A pack of curios from Kaisercraft. We haven't used these before in our kit, it's our first time. I really do like them. They're kind of like little flares. They're very, very cute. A packet of those. And we have got the Rose Gold Mist by Kaisercraft as well. So you can see this is a great value kit already with all of that product in there. We've got this adorable little laser cut, which is a lot of the foliage in this kit. It's very cute, just to add some more layers and texture. A cute little grid stencil. This is also fabulous for card making, or you Stampin' Colour girls. This is a very cute little stencil. We have got the magazine, of course, and Alicia McNamara made the cover this month. It's a really cute, bright, fun layout. Lots of ideas in the magazine. The girls literally could not stop making with this kit, and there's so many ideas for both scrapbooking and card making in this magazine. There is this cutest little cut apart that Kasha has made for us. It's very beautiful. And then this here is art foam. So it's kind of like really thin foam and it's great for making flowers with, and you'll see in a minute when you see the dies that go with this kit. There is this gorgeous piece of paper called Good Vibes from Kaisercraft. In fact, there are two of those this month because it's such a versatile piece that we put two in there. You have got some craft cardstock and a couple of sheets of white cardstock as well. And to finish off is the adorable Paisley Days scrapbooking pack, which includes the bonus sticker sheet. So that is everything in your kit, so much. Let's quickly take a look at the two dies. This one here, which is called Modern Floral. It's a gorgeous die. It's got lots of centers, lots of different sizes. It's really sweet. This one is $20.80. And you can layer that up to make some gorgeous flowers. We'll take a look at that in a minute. And then this one is our new alphabet, which is a tall uppercase alphabet, and this one's a bit grubby because it's mine and I have used it. Now this one is also $20.80, which is amazing value because there is 30 dies on this set which are individually on there. They are not all joined together, so you have to snip them. They are individual dies. So 30 dies on that set for $20.80, so an absolute bargain. Let's take a look at some of the layouts. Sorry about the lighting because I am doing this quite late. Maria Aloisi joined us this month and this is one of her gorgeous little layouts, and you can see here this is that Modern Floral die with some of the art foam so the little edges sit up. So really cute, thanks Maria. Alicia McNamara, as I said, she has made this beautiful layout. It is so bright and so fun, and she's done some fussy cutting here. And these are the paints that you guys have been collecting over the last 3 months. This one is one of mine, also with the fussy cutting, but yeah, I fully cheat. See how Alicia has done no little edge? I've left the little back edge to make it, I'm going to say make it pop, but it's easier to fussy cut that way. So that's one of mine, and so this is the tall uppercase alphabet, and that's just mixed with the alpha that's on the sticker sheet in the kit. Another one from Alicia, and these gorgeous little flowers here are made with that art foam and that dye. So lots of gorgeous layers and some of the spray in there and a mix from some of the leaves. And you'll see in the magazine that Alicia has done some brilliant tutorials on this. Then we have Yvette Fancielli. I know I've said that wrong, Yvette, I'm so sorry. She's joined us this month for the first time, and she's got some beautiful, bold, fun layouts that she's made. Again, using our watercolors that you guys have been collecting. And another one from me. I don't do bright and bold, but I loved this kit. I had such fun playing with this kit myself. Another one for Maria, as you can tell she's used that beautiful stencil. Another one for Yvette, again with the paints. Such gorgeous layouts. The girls have just done an amazing job, aren't they? Just so fun. And another one from Yvette. Yvette couldn't stop, she made so many. We're just so pleased with the work all the DT have done this month. They've done a fabulous job. And then this is another little inspiration one Yvette did. Now, she's used some texture paste here. There is not texture paste included in the kit, but you could just use the spray with the stencil if you don't have any texture paste at home. But this is just a little one with her leftovers that she made, so we thought we'd include it to show you. So there are 10 layouts the girls have done. So many to choose from. Cards, again, heaps of them. So again, we've got the gorgeous little floral die with some of the art foam and some of the papers. And we've got some sweet little flowers here made with it as well. I'm just going to quickly show you all the cards. Shana, again, has joined us for making the cards, and she's got the layering there. If I just pick up this one, you can see this is just with cardstock. Yvette has made this one. Isn't that a beautiful card? Just so happy and so bright. Just cards for everyone. And again, with the stencil and the spray and the tall uppercase alphabet. So that's the cards. So guys, this kit is now on sale from the 1st of April. It is $49.95 and you can subscribe to save. We have a sketch challenge again in April. This is our new sketch challenge and this will be up on our blog from the 1st, and you can join our sketch challenge by using any kit, any of our kits, any of our older kits, and just follow the sketch and upload your image on Instagram. So that's it for me, guys. You can jump over to our website today, www.uniquelycreative.com.au, and you can pre-order this kit, shipping on the 5th. Bye guys.